Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Leather Restorer is probably one of the most sought-after products for anyone who owns leather goods, from classic jackets to luxurious sofas. This video will dive deep into the world of leather color restoration, exploring how to revitalize your favorite leather pieces and bring back their original vibrancy. We'll examine various products, techniques, and considerations to help you make an informed decision and achieve professional-looking results, breathing new life into your cherished leather items. Number 5. Furniture Clinic Leather Balm. Is your leather furniture looking worn and faded? This balm easily repairs scratches and revitalizes color, giving it a brand new look. Say goodbye to unsightly scratches and dull tones. It's the perfect solution for restoring your leather couches and furniture to their former glory. It not only restores color but also protects against future damage, preventing cracking, peeling, and fading. Keep your leather looking its best for years to come. This easy-to-apply balm delivers a polished, durable finish. It's the simple way to achieve professional-looking results at home. This product has earned the prestigious Good Housekeeping seal after rigorous testing. You can trust it to deliver on its promises. We're so confident you'll love the results, we offer a money-back guarantee. If you have any questions, our experts are here to help. What we like? This product is backed by the Good Housekeeping seal and a money-back guarantee, so you can trust its quality. If you're looking for a reliable way to restore your leather furniture to its former glory, this is a great option. It's perfect for those who want peace of mind and a product that truly works. What people say. The cleaner especially is my go-to for a deep penetrating clean. The balm reminds me of like a silky soft butter. It applies nice and smooth. It is designed to clean, condition and restore areas that have lost color over the years due to wear, sun, etc. Number 4. Furniture Clinic Leather Balm. Is your leather furniture looking worn and faded? This balm easily repairs scratches and revitalizes color, leaving it looking like new. This premium formula is perfect for couches, car seats, and more. It repairs scratches, restores faded hues, and protects against future damage. Say goodbye to unsightly wear and tear. It removes stains, prevents cracking and peeling, and keeps your leather looking its best for years to come. Revive your leather furniture with ease. This balm is simple to apply and delivers a polished, durable finish. It's been rigorously tested and approved by the Good Housekeeping Institute, so you can trust its quality and effectiveness. We're so confident you'll love the results, we offer a money-back guarantee. Our experts are also here to help if you have any questions. What we like? This option also boasts the Good Housekeeping seal and a money-back guarantee. If you value a trusted brand and a risk-free purchase, this is the one for you. It's ideal for anyone wanting a simple, effective solution with a guarantee of satisfaction. What people say. The cleaner especially is my go-to for a deep penetrating clean. The balm reminds me of like a silky soft butter. It applies nice and smooth. It's designed to clean, condition and restore areas that have lost color over the years due to wear, sun, etc. Number 3. Furniture Clinic Leather Repair Paint. It comes in 16 colors, so you can restore faded leather, recolor worn spots, or even change the color entirely. It's incredibly versatile. This paint penetrates the leather fibers for complete coverage without altering the texture. Plus, it helps protect against future discoloration. Apply it with a brush, sponge, or spray. It dries in minutes, but for best results, let it cure for 24 hours. It's a unique blend of color and finish, acting as both a color restorer and a sealant. No need for a separate topcoat. Use it on sofas, cars, clothes, any leather item with color damage. It's the perfect solution for scuffs, scratches, and color loss. What we like? With 16 colors available and a 2-in-1 formula that seals and colors simultaneously, this kit offers unmatched versatility. If you need a quick and easy solution with a wide range of color choices, this is your best bet. It's perfect for those who want to repair and restore their leather quickly and efficiently. What people say. Application is super easy, cleans up with soap and water. I applied 3 thin, all-over coats to 2 captain's chairs and additional coats to several repair areas, and I still have 1/2 of the 17-ounce bottle left. Very pleased with quality of paint. Dries very fast. Able to apply 3 coats in one day. This was only needed due to color change. It came out beautiful. The dog scratches are not visible at all. I mixed a little of brown into my bottle of cream color and it gave me a soft pink peach that I simply love. It's waterproof after 24 hours. No bad smell. The bottle is rather small but a little goes a long way. I just used a paper towel and rubbed the product into the imperfections of the couch. I did this 2 times. The couch looks brand new, if not, better. It dried in a couple hours but I left it alone for a day to make sure. No residue left over. Number 2. STARTSO World Leather Balm. Give your worn-out leather furniture a new lease on life. This innovative balm restores faded color and breathes new life into your pieces, making them look vibrant and refreshed. This kit effectively restores color to couches, chairs, and more. It penetrates deep, reviving the original hue and texture for a vibrant, stain-resistant finish. It dries quickly, in minutes, either naturally or with a hairdryer. The color is long-lasting, won't fade easily, and leaves the leather feeling smooth, not sticky. From furniture and car interiors to shoes and bags, it works on a wide variety of leather and vinyl items. It's the perfect solution for all your leather restoration needs. We prioritize safety and quality. This balm is harmless to leather, giving you peace of mind. Contact us if you have any questions or issues, we're here to help you. What we like. This balm dries quickly and provides long-lasting color, making it perfect for those short on time. If you need a versatile solution for various leather items and want a vibrant, long-lasting finish, this is an excellent choice. It's ideal for anyone looking for a convenient and effective leather restoration solution. What people say. The stuff goes on easily and covers beautifully. I used the enclosed brush, put in on heavily, and then before a section dried I smoothed it out with the included sponge. Now in order to see any cat marks you have put your face right next to the area injured. From a normal distance, the sofa looks frankly new and the blending of the colors was great also. Finally, I like the fact that it is water soluble which makes for much easier cleanup. I used it on several types of leather finishes as you can see in my car, some were more absorbent than others. I did all 4 doors, front and back of all my seats, headrests, my leather dash and glove compartment, and a handful of other leather trim pieces. Some of these parts one did 2 coats on as some were more faded than others. I did the entire driver's seat, front passenger seat, center console, 3 of the doors, and a few other spots here and there twice. The rest I did once. This used up almost exactly the amount in one container. Perfect amount for a car with an absurd amount of leather and a ton of fading. It covered in a single coat and I have 1 4-jar left over. The color is not as fluorescent as it appears online. There is no color transfer after it dries outside for 3 hours and it buffs up to a nice satin sheen. Number 1. Leather Max Repair Kit. Say goodbye to worn-out leather. This kit makes repairing your furniture and other leather goods a breeze. It's easy to use and gives professional results. It's made entirely in the USA with high-quality materials. You can trust its durability and performance. It comes with 3 shades of brown, so you can easily blend and match any brown leather item. No mixing chart needed. Simply apply it to the damaged area and let it dry. It's that easy to restore your leather goods. From couches and car seats to jackets and purses, it can repair a wide variety of leather items. One kit, endless possibilities. Bring new life to your favorite leather pieces. It saves you money and keeps your cherished items looking their best. What we like. This kit includes 3 shades to perfectly match any brown leather, making color matching a breeze. If you're looking for an easy-to-use kit with multiple applications, this is the one for you. It's perfect for anyone who wants a simple, effective solution for various leather repair needs. What people say. It took me a few days to mix the right colors to perfectly match the beige color, patch the worn area and complete the work. It turned out great, but about 9 months later there were 2 small areas where the color was gone. When the kit arrived I tested 2 of the 3 bottles, and to my delight one matched the color perfectly. The results I got were just what I wanted and the 3 different whites allowed me to match my color. It worked on my car seats and couch seats. This product applies very easily, looks very good when done, and has been very durable for 4 months along now. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.